when it hurts like this. We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way.
Landslide hai ki na? It's a huge landslide, guys. You see it? Oh, guys.
Finally,
Really?
we are in Goa now.
We are in Goa.
When it hurts like this.
Hey guys,
Hey.
good morning. Welcome to Travel and Fun. So it's 6:15, right? 6:20.
6:20.
It's 6:20 in the morning, and we are at in the railway station. Anna?
KSR
Railway
Bengaluru.
station.
Actually, we
So,
came here to
Drop
leave our
Aramai.
Yes.
So now we are going to start to Goa, and this is another route from Bangalore to Goa. This is the easiest route, fastest route. So we came via the longest route and we are going via the shortest route. So stay tuned for more videos regarding that shortest route, how it is, roads, tolls, and
For information, we are going through one of the Asian highways.
Asian.
Yeah.
Asian.
Yeah, it's called the Asian Highway, AH. Okay, so it's the AH-47 that we are going through. Mostly called, it's a part of the Golden Quadrilateral, and this highway runs from Mumbai until Chennai. So this comes from Mumbai, then Pune, Bangalore, and then it goes to Chennai. So this is the AH-47. So we'll show you some shots from the route to Goa. So we are going back to Goa.
Going back to Goa with all fun from Bangalore.
Yeah.
And the fun was only traffic. We thought of taking more and more videos from Bangalore, but the traffic was so amazing that we were not even feeling to go out. We were only in our house. And only I was so lucky to go out with my friends. He didn't go out anywhere. So guys, stay tuned for more videos.
When it hurts like this.
So guys, on the route we came to this restaurant, Hotel Ragi Roti. Looks good. Hungry?
Yeah,
Okay.
very cool.
Yeah, and it's cold too. So we came here. It looks like it's a big group of hotels or something. So we are very hungry and we want to have breakfast just besides the highway. This is the highway leading to Tumkur and there on to Goa. Let's get in then.
Have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this.
So, how was your breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast was good.
Yes.
We didn't have much option when we were, starting. But towards end, we got all the options. But then we were done.
Yeah. So I had a ghee roast plain dosa and she had a masala dosa. So it was good.
It was really yum.
Well, that was the breakfast, and now we are heading ahead onward journey. See you.
Stay tuned.
We climb the greatest heights.
Then the Deutsche Bahn. Are they manufacturing trains?
Can never change my mind. When it's
halted besides the highway. Saw some cornfields and all. See Anaka with her new umbrella, big one. I guess 3-4 Anakas can fit in. Yeah. So we just took a halt just to stretch our legs and all, which has been a long drive. So this is the AH47, the Asian Highway 47. The weather is also quite good. Yeah, this is Anaka's new rainbow umbrella. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. It's more around 400 kilometers to
400, it's 3 something, right?
less than 400 kilometers to Goa, and we crossed this Chitradurga town. That was the town with those windmills and all. So it was quite picturesque. And now we are in front of a cornfield, and this is also very picturesque, and that's why we stopped here. So how was the drive?
Yeah, drive was good.
Very good road, huh?
Till now it is good.
Yeah, it's been.
And there is, plenty of toll booths.
Yeah, plenty of toll booths. We'll be sharing all the toll details and all, how much toll we paid and all. So don't worry about that.
It's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this. Ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like.
This is Devnagiri, the holy city of knowledge and education. That's what they call it. I think this is the place where the Devnagiri script came from. I don't know, but I think so. That's what the name of the town and how they describe it suggests that it is so. We are just driving and driving and driving through this.
There is always greenery on both sides. But
The greenery towards this side is more.
from past 1 hour we are searching for a good restaurant. We couldn't find anything.
Yes. I hope we find something in Hubli.
We'll let you know if we find something.
We are heading towards Hubli. So Hubli is a big city. So once we reach there, I guess we'll get good restaurants.
See?
Yeah. And there is a lot of construction work going on this highway. So be careful about the diversions and all. Rest, the roads are good where there is no construction, and you will enjoy your drive. Hey guys, so
Hey guys.
we had our lunch at this
Rajasthani Dhaba.
Rajasthan Dhaba. It's a pure vegetarian dhaba,
And
and
the food was okay. Not like very young, but fine.
fine.
Okay.
It was not bad. Since we were very hungry and we couldn't find anything in the long distances in the map,
So we just had here.
we thought of having here. And now we had some dal khichdi and chas and papad.
Roasted papad.
So it cost us around 200. So the price is also okay, I would say.
Reasonable.
Yeah. And there's a petrol pump also besides, HP petrol pump. So it is quite good if you stop here for refueling and you can have food here. So now we'll proceed ahead, and we have to go
Reach
through Hubli, and then we enter into Goa and the Ghats. So enjoy the views en route.
Stay tuned.
When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we
So guys, this is
Hubli. This is Hubli. What is Hubli? This bridge?
No, actually we cross a small
Town. So we crossed Hubli, guys.
Yeah, we are crossing Hubli.
We are crossing Hubli.
So next So guys, we are
Guys.
finishing off with the
National Highway, and it is written 165, yeah, 165 kilometers to Panji. So now we are on to State Highway.
now we'll go into State Highway, and
There is some toll or checking, I don't know.
So guys, you just have to show the previous
Toll
Toll
slip. There will be a pink color toll slip.
yes, and then you will be allowed to go. So you can see it's Panji to the left and Dharwad to the right.
Dharwad to the right. So we are going
go left. Now we are heading towards Goa.
When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like.
We are still in Karnataka, but heading towards Goa. So this is the
This way is like not so interesting till now. It's full of highway and only highway.
yeah, it is completely highway
highway.
until now. Let's see what lies ahead.
Yeah.
We'll show you.
We'll
Keep
come
you
to a conclusion
posted.
after that.
Yes, we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned.
So guys, now we are in a place called Junjawad.
Junjawad. Yes.
Junjawad. So
On our way
Way to
from
Goa.
Dandeli, like after this what was that place? Hubli. After Hubli, it comes. There's a place called Dharwad. Then it's Dandeli. Then after Dandeli,
after that check post, we saw the check post where we have to show the receipt of the past.
yes.
The check post. After that, there is like a cut. There's a way where
There's
the
a-
road divides to Goa and to Belgaum.
Yes.
That Goa way is like it will directly lead to Goa, but now there was a board written that no vehicles are allowed
to go to Goa.
because the roads have been closed.
Yes.
So we were redirect to Belgaum.
Yes.
But
But the
luckily there
interesting
is
fact is that the distance
is same,
same.
and we don't want to go to Belgaum. Before reaching that only there's a junction where we'll have to cut to Goa again.
Yes.
So the
we are on the
distance is
Belgaum
same.
road, but we won't go to Belgaum. So we were lucky enough to that there was a junction over there itself, and the board was also there, so that we could immediately turn right instead of left and continue our journey.
Yeah.
Else we would have to
Gone like
Gone back.
halfway and again come back
Yes.
and then go to this Belgaum. So
So-
please take care of the both signs, especially during the monsoon when you come
yes,
to
during
Goa.
monsoon, because I remember that the Shorla Ghat, I think it's still not open for public. Let's see what lies ahead here. Well, expecting all positive things to happen.
Ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this.
Better precaution while traveling from Bangalore to Goa or Karnataka to Goa. Lots of landslides have happened here, and many roads are closed, and you need to figure out which road to go through. This is the third road that we are taking now, and we are positive that this will lead us
To
to our
Goa.
home. And since we have seen some vehicles coming here, and also at a junction previously, people told us that this road
Road has been
open since the last 2 days. So we are expecting, being positive for this. Though our trip has become a bit long, but we are hoping for the best. Lots of landslides here, and I would not recommend coming here after daylight.
Yeah.
Even I would say that even I am late. It's already 5:30. I have to somehow reach the Goa border, which before it's dark. So I'm hoping for the best. Let's see. You guys enjoy the video. It's a huge landslide, guys. You see it.
See guys, this is the road now, so it's better try to come here before it's getting dark, and always check with
We would say
road
recommend not to travel by this road.
yeah, like go to Belgaum and then go.
Yeah.
Or else if you're here by any chance, then follow some Goa registration vehicle, ask to the local people here. It's always better ask to some Goa registration people. എല്ലാ ദൈവങ്ങളെയും വിളിച്ച് കയറ്റിക്കോ ദീപു. Thank you and visit again Karnataka.
This is welcome to Goa.
Goa.
Wow.
So finally, officially, we are in Goa.
When it hurts like this.
So guys, finally we are back to the good normal roads of Goa.
Yes.
And it shows 46 kilometers to our house, to our home. So guys, finally we are back to the normal good roads of Goa, and we have crossed all the hurdles, literally hurdles.
Yes.
Finally.
I guess I hope that you have seen them in the video.
Not like fully, but
Yes,
I have
all
shown
of them
you.
we couldn't record because we were in the process of getting out of those hurdles. But we have
what all
captured
is
some.
possible I have captured for you.
Yes.
So
And so talking
It's
about
just-
the route from Bangalore to Goa until the highway until Dharwad, I guess. Until Dharwad.
until we divert to the state highway.
Yes.
From
and-
national highway to state highway. Till the national highway, everything is fine. And after that state highway, for almost half an hour to 45 minutes, everything will be fine.
Fine.
And after that, your problems will start.
Yes. So take care while driving and make sure that you consult other people who have been there are lots of groups in Facebook and all. So I had consulted with them, but unfortunately I didn't get enough responses. So we went out to try it on our own, and I don't know how much this car could do, but this car was really awesome for us. It really helped us. It was really our Sarthi. And please refer to these Facebook groups and all. They keep on continuously posting about routes.
And more than that, please refer to the local people who are staying there and the Goa registration vehicle, which is coming from the opposite direction,
Yeah.
so that you can get a clear idea of the road, how it is, where you have to take diversion and everything.
Yes. Even in the Dudhsagar resort area, it was very bad. The roads were very bad, and due to slurry and sludge on the road, they have put up gravel. Okay, so that your vehicle doesn't slip.
Yeah.
So you have to be very careful over there. Just consult some local people before you get into such roads.
Yeah.
That can you go ahead or not? Okay. So we did consult some local people. They said that yes, from the last 2 days we have seen people going and coming from Goa, and yeah.
Actually, it was crossed out.
Yes.
Everything was crossed out.
Yes, they
but
would
the
say-
local people were telling the roads are open, you can go.
Yeah, I mean literally the roads are not open, But people,
yeah.
I mean, if you are
Good at driving, you can
good at
do.
driving, and if you are up to take up any risk, then you can go ahead. So that's why even on the boards they have crossed out Goa. So vehicles to Goa are not allowed in many of the routes. We took so many diversions, guys.
Yeah.
I
Like
really,
3 or 4 diversions.
3 or 4
we took.
diversions, and then in between even I got scared of my fuel tank, because then I had to be very much careful about the fuel consumption. So I then refueled at a station for 1,000 rupees, and then we went ahead, and then we diverted, and then we went ahead, then we diverted again. So lots
And then
of
for
diversions.
fuel conservation, he started, putting off the AC. Then we started
Yes.
without AC,
Without AC
without
and all.
music, everything.
So just be careful on these
For
roads.
sure.
Yes, just be careful. And once you are into Goa, then there is no problem. But until Goa from Bangalore, all the roads, I would say, even the Chorla Ghat and all those roads, they are in a very bad condition. I have read that there is a lot of slurry and sludge on the Chorla Ghat road too.
So we would always recommend take the longest route. It is best.
Yes.
It is nice road. Toll is very less. Until you reach Bangalore, there is no toll. The road is very good. Only when you reach the small town areas, the road is bad.
Yes.
So hardly 2 or 3 kilometers. Other than that, the road is very good.
Yeah.
Scenic and everything. This road was actually boring. It was full of highway,
Just
only
highway, just highway.
But that comprises of highways, villages, the small towns, and you could see the lifestyle of this Karnataka people also. It was really good. So yeah, it took 4 hours extra, but still.
Anyways, it took almost around 2
Same,
hours,
yeah.
1.5 hours, 2 hours extra for us now. Otherwise, we should have reached in 10 hours, 10.5 hours. Now it has taken almost 12 hours for us. So because
More
of
than
all
12
these road
hours,
conditions, yeah, more
actually.
than 12 hours because of all these road conditions and all.
And kilometer wise also, because of this redirection, almost 100 kilometers we have covered.
Yes.
So it's always better take that 100 kilometer extra and take the longest route only.
Very true. So we hope you guys like the video. And
Stay tuned for more videos.
yes, and we hope you
If you
like
liked it,
both the videos.
If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Those who are watching this video and those who want to watch, the longest route, that video, you can please click the link in the description box as well as on the top.
Yes, and if you have any doubts about the route that we came from, please do comment.
Post it in the
Post a comment.
comments below. We'll definitely help you out with that.
Or write us an email on our official email ID. It's trlfun9102@gmail.com. So we'll reach out to you as soon as possible. So do like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting us and keep loving us. We love you all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like.
So guys, finally we reached our destination.
When it hurts like this.